She's cute. That's a lolly. And yeah, lollies.
Yeah, finish yours. Hey. Unstead, you're gonna say something.
No.
What are you
You
saying?
are recording.
Wait, no. Wait, what are you saying?
Wait. Kitties are cute because they are small, right?
I see you corner me now. I see you. See, I see what you do. I see what you do. I see. So we have to continue now. I see. This is what's going on when I was young and I had to like ace vegetable. He doesn't even have eyes. His mouth doesn't move. Is it a latex suit? Is it a latex suit? Yeah.
Oh my god, Sam. Oh. You're making it weird.
Yeah, skin tight latex suit. Well, come on, man, look at him.
What the fuck? This is not a vending machine.
Okay, so vending machine is any automated machine that dispenses a product or service without needing a human operator at the moment of use.
Oh my. Is this a vending machine?
well, it can
Maybe Cement Bank.
Nice.
Hey, but by the definition, like without a human operator, it dispenses a service.
Yes.
So I guess.
Oh my god.
So I guess Boxu comfortably in totes.